of you. It's a beautiful morning. I can see all the happy, bright faces. Ladies and gentlemen, good morning once again. Namaste, Suprabhat. My name is Mayuri Malankar. I'm the host of this event, and it gives me immense pride and pleasure in welcoming you all to this momentous listing ceremony of One MobiKwik Systems Limited at the iconic BSC, the heart of India's financial landscape. Before we begin, I would request everyone to please begin this morning with a huge round of applause. It's a big day for all of us. We are gathered here to celebrate a landmark achievement for MobiKwik, a story of vision, perseverance, inclusion, innovation that has now culminated in this incredible milestone. Before we commence, I'll request everyone to kindly rise for the national anthem.
Jana Mana Adhinayak Jaya He Bharat Bhagya Vidhata Punjab Sindh Gujarat Maratha Dravida Utkal Vanga Himachal Yamuna Ganga Uchchal Jaladhi Taranga Tava Shubha Name Jage Tava Shubha Ashish Mange Gahe Tava Jaya Gatha Jana Gana Mangala Dayak Jaya He Bharat Bhagya Vidhata Jaya He Jaya He Jaya He Jaya 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 He
Jai Hind. Jai Hind. Once again, a very special morning, ladies and gentlemen, all our esteemed guests, stakeholders, dignitaries, and invitees. Today is a day of celebration, pride, and gratitude as we witness the culmination of decades of hard work, resilience, and dedication by Team MobiKwik. This listing represents not just the company's growth, but also trust and confidence of over 160 million users, 4.2 million merchants, and esteemed investors who believed in MobiKwik's vision of making payments and financial services accessible, inclusive, and seamless for all. Ladies and gentlemen, MobiKwik's journey has been nothing short of extraordinary. From humble beginnings from an apartment in Dwarka, Delhi, to revolutionizing how India transacts, MobiKwik has transformed challenges into opportunities. It has weathered storms, celebrated victories, and continuously innovated to become the largest digital wallet in India and a name to reckon with the Indian startup space. Let us all take a moment to appreciate the significance of this day. Once again, a big round of applause for MobiKwik. I have a privilege of inviting our esteemed dignitaries from MobiKwik and the representatives of BSC to join us on the stage. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together as I request Mr. Bipin Preet Singh, co-founder, managing director, and CEO MobiKwik, to come on stage to receive the bouquet. A very, very warm welcome to you, sir. With a huge round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome Upasna Taku, co-founder, board chair, and CFO MobiKwik, to join us on the stage. A very, very warm welcome to you, ma'am. Please join me as I welcome Mr. Deepak Kaushik, EVP, SBI Capital. Warm welcome to you, sir. Thank you. Next, I would like to invite Mr. Vishal Desai, ED, DAM Capital. A very, very warm welcome to you, sir. Please put your hands together for our host, ladies and gentlemen, as I welcome Mr. Sunil Ram Rakhiani, Chief Business Officer, BSC. Thank you. From a spark of an idea to becoming a name synonymous with financial inclusion, MobiKwik evolved from mobile recharge site to a full-stack fintech platform, catering to the needs of Indian users across the verticals of payments and distribution of financial products. Today is not just another day, it's a historic chapter in MobiKwik's journey. This listing is a testament to the unyielding spirit of entrepreneurship. This day belongs to every individual who has contributed to this journey, the founders, the team, the partners, and the loyal users who have stood by the vision. As we celebrate this day, ladies and gentlemen, it's only fitting to honor the real architects behind the success of this journey, the women from the backbone of our families. We are privileged to have with us the respected mothers and the sisters of Vipin and Upasna. These remarkable women have not only nurtured their families with the unwavering support, but have also instilled values of resilience, courage, and ambition that are deeply embedded in the DNA of MobiKwik. I now request these inspirational women to grace the stage for the auspicious lamp lighting ceremony. Please put your hands together, everyone, for Ms. Surjit Kaur, Ms. Usha Taku, Ms. Navsharan, Ms. Utma Taku. I request Mr. Sunil Ram Rakhiani, the lamp is here, ma'am. Yes. I request Mr. Sunil Ram Rakhiani also to join us for the lamp lighting ceremony. I request Mr. Bipin and Ms. Upasna as well to join.
शुभं कुरु त्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शत्रुबुद्धिविनाशाय दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तुते दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तुते शुभं कुरु त्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः.
Thank you everyone for gracing the occasion. Ladies and gentlemen, दिए की ज्योत हमेशा ऊपर की ओर उठती है, दिए का ये स्वभाव है. हमारे द्वारा शुरू किया काम इसी तरह हमेशा ऊपर की ओर बढ़ता रहे, अग्रसर हो. इस भावना के साथ, इस प्रार्थना के साथ हर शुभ काम की शुरुआत हम दीप प्रज्वलन से करते हैं. Once again, I would like to thank all our dignitaries for gracing the occasion. And now, ladies and gentlemen, it's time to hear from the visionaries and the leaders who have been instrumental in this journey. Please put your hands together as I welcome Mr. Deepak Kaushik, EVP SBI Capital, to present the opening address.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. So I'll welcome you all to the listing ceremony of One MobiKwik. I'm not going to talk about the numbers or anything. I think all of you know better about the company itself. But let me tell you in terms of the process, if I have to start with, yeah, it was one rocking process in every sense. And when I'm talking of one rocking process, probably Upasna and Bipin Preet will understand more than anybody else. All we have had to go through in the process, starting with, of course, I think it's been more than a year now, probably when we started with. And when you talk of transactions, we have done transactions where we've seen everything going off seamlessly. Here, it was primarily whatever could happen, everything happened. I'm not talking in the wrong sense, but these were challenges. And when it, so in terms of the challenges, when I speak of primarily, MobiKwik has become a pioneer in a lot of senses in the entire market. It's going to be the first profitable fintech which is going to be listed today. If you look at in terms of certain guidelines which SEBI primarily kind of reinvented, I can say here, of course, within the closed room. Uh, those things also, MobiKwik has become a pioneer because now SEBI has set up pretty firm and clear guidelines in terms of how to deal with those processes. I know we would have loved to be here probably maybe a few months earlier, but that couldn't happen because of certain reasons. But at the end, I have to give it to probably Upasana and Bipin, the way they have led this and they've kept their calm, steered it. I think, if nothing, both of them actually deserve a round of applause. One is not only running the company so successfully, but more importantly, when I talk of this process itself, I don't remember meeting SEBI officials this much for a transaction in my entire career, for which I have had to do probably for MobiKwik. Not only me, I'm sure these guys met them more than I did. But I would like to thank everyone who's been involved in this process. The MobiKwik team has been wonderful. The lawyers who've been there, our fellow BRLMs as well. And today, if you look at, it's only that the family or the MobiKwik family is going to increase. You've got a large number of shareholders who are going to get added. In terms of how the company has performed and what they have promised and delivered, I think all of us saw that in the way the issue got subscribed. If you would ask me, probably in my career, very few issuances where we have seen a century across all the three categories, whether it was the QIB category, or it was the retail, or it was HNIs. And I'm sure when you're going to look at the listing today, probably that will be a reflection of what is the kind of beliefs that the investors have. And of course, that it doesn't end there, because now it's more responsibility. And I'm sure the way MobiKwik team has delivered so far, again and again, they will continue to deliver and continue to repose the faith that the investors have shown. So I'd like to wish them all the best. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Mr. Deepak, for the initial remarks. And now, ladies and gentlemen, it gives me immense pride in welcoming the co-founder, managing director, and the CEO of MobiKwik. Please put your hands together for Mr. Bipin Prit Singh.
As usual, I haven't prepared any speech. I don't know what to say and how we are feeling today, but Team MobiKwik, we did it! And अंदर से और बहुत आवाजें आनी हैं जो निकलेंगी, but you know, really, I think, you know, many of you know, many of you don't also know, but I'll talk about, you know, where I grew up and my childhood, and also, you know, ultimately, what we do, हम जो करते हैं MobiKwik में हमने जो किया है, is a function of who we are. हम कौन हैं? हम कहाँ से आए हैं? You know, I was born in a small town in Odisha called Rourkela. Some of you know, many others don't. And my father used to run a shop there, and I used to run at the cash counter, sit at the cash counter and read books. Like my son here, he's carrying books right now, even to this ceremony. So some things don't change. I used to sit there, you know, and you know, many of you don't know, in 1984, you know, those riots happened, and you know, our shop was burnt down. And our family, I'm the eldest. You know, I have my sister here, my brother is in US, and you know, we had a tough time. We had a very tough time. You cannot believe how tough it was. We used to live in a one-room house. A one-room house, not one BHK. A one room with a kitchen. And my dad, my late father, who's no longer here, he used to say, "Yaar, it's okay, we don't have assets. The only asset you can think of is education. And if you study, and if you do well, then you can do anything in life." And I was good at maths. You know, my Buaji is here. She's a maths teacher. I've learned maths from her. तो मैथ्स में मेरे अच्छे नंबर आते थे, 100 on 100 आता था, तो आई वाज लाइक, बट लैंग्वेजेस में आई वाज वीक, यू नो, आई स्टिल गेट द कंप्लेंट्स. I used to do well, and then, you know, eventually I did well. I got into IIT, right? And I studied electrical engineering there. Uske baad, jaise being the eldest in the family, having the highest responsibility, you know, it was my job to make sure that I'm taking the family forward. And I worked for 5-7 years, you know, as a salary. And then when in 2008-9, when I decided, you know, and I met Upasna at that time, कि यार I am done with this job thing, तो मुझे कुछ करना है अपना. I have to start a company or do something else. Whatever I am doing, it's not working out. So that was a, you know, very tough moment. You know, being the eldest in the family, earning, and, you know, having younger siblings. It was a, you know, and I had कितना 2-3 लाख की savings थी मेरी. And, you know, like few lakhs. And I don't think it would have been possible. I had the idea, but then, you know, I think my family supported me, and, you know, I think throughout all the things that have happened, you know, it's only one rock, which is my mother, who has always supported me and saying कि तू जो भी करेगा, you will be successful. And you know, with her support. And then I met an explosive person. You know, real cracker. Miss Upasna Taku. And उसके बाद का जो इतिहास है, वो इतिहास है. मतलब it's history. I think many of you, you know, Vishal is laughing here. Whoever has met her knows कि ये जो IPO है, दीपक सर ने अच्छा बताया, right? I mean, I think if we have to hand over to one person and one person alone who made this IPO happen, that is Upasna Taku. I will not go into the gory details. But ऐसा होता है ना कि, you know, sometimes what happens is कि आप कुछ करने की कोशिश कर रहे हो and everybody is trying to stop you. It's like the world it's nobody's fault, but the world is conspiring against you. कि ये भी गलत हो जाए, ये भी गलत हो जाए, मार्केट भी गिर जाए, फिनटेक भी गिर जाए, everything, you know, small cap, fintech, market, earnings, regulatory, whatever can change, and as has happened in the last 1 year. Honestly, जब हमने process start किया था, we didn't expect, because, you know, we were doing well as a company, we were profitable, and 3 cheers to team MobiKwik, who all of you, you know, you all have been hearing about our IPO now for now at least the entire 2024, but actually we started the process in 21, and Upasna will talk about that. But it is frustrating. It is frustrating to sit there and like wait for something to happen, one step at a time, one step at a time. Again, I will not go into the details. Ankita is smiling here. I think she knows too much. But I think, you know, today we are relieved. We are relieved that we have got here. This is where MobiKwik deserves to be as a company. It has taken us a lot of effort, lot of perseverance, everyone's effort, everyone who's sitting here, family, friends, teams, banks, lawyers, everybody, auditors. Aap Girish hai, he's smiling how much pain we have given. Rajat, it's been a roller coaster, true roller coaster if you've been on. But ultimately, I think we have reached the destination, and I think that is what matters. But like I said, you know, India mein there's a lot of things still need to happen, and I am at heart, you know, a technology person, and I love technology, and I love how technology can make an impact, how it can change things. हमारी इंडस्ट्री में हमने फाइनेंस में करके दिखाया है कि टेक्नोलॉजी से क्या इम्पैक्ट हो सकता है. But this is just the beginning. This is just the beginning. This is just day one. So 3 cheers to Team MobiKwik. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir. The journey was truly amazing, and I'm sure you are inspiring so many young aspiring entrepreneurs. Thank you once again. And with this, I would like to invite, ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Upasna Taku, co-founder, board chair, and CFO of MobiKwik, to address the gathering.
Good morning everyone. Good morning, namaste. Sorry आपको wait करना पड़ा. इन्होंने जान के stage मैंने बोला था यहाँ से आती हूँ. It would have been shorter. But it's my absolute pleasure and honor to be here. And I'll try to say a few words ताकि आप सबको bore ना करूँ. But before that, थोड़ी अपनी पहचान भी करा देती हूँ सबको. I'm feeling so proud to see my entire team in my blue MobiKwik blazers. It's amazing. So, just like Bipin gave his story, I grew up in a small Kashmiri Pandit family. My dad, Dr. A.K. Taku, moved to Gujarat in 60s to pursue his PhD. And then he got married, so I'm born and brought up in Gujarat. And I'm mentioning that today because Kashmiris में ना कोई business नहीं करता. Like लड़के भी नहीं करते हैं. And लड़के लड़कियों का कोई हमारी family में gender discrimination कभी था नहीं. I'm very obliged. My parents made sure that I got every opportunity in the world to thrive. But I'm just saying कि गुजरात के पानी में कुछ है. So growing up in Gujarat, doing my schooling there, you know, I think gave me some sort of hustle, which you guys still see in how I operate. I really don't think I want to hustle so much, but वो घुस गया है. From there on, went to Jalandhar to do my engineering, and था कि पढ़ाई और करनी चाहिए, but घर में तो it was not possible, right? My mom was teaching music, my dad was a professor, so thankfully scholarship मिल गई, थोड़ी hustle करके, वो scholarship मिल जाएगी, Stanford की opportunity नहीं छोड़नी चाहिए, इसके लिए I have to thank my sister Uttama Taku. She said नहीं fight मारो, जुगाड़ करो. And I also have to thank my brother-in-law Rajesh Bhua and his brother Mr. Dinesh Bhua. They, you know, आपको sponsorship मिल भी जाए. I don't think आप लोगों को, maybe सबको नहीं पता होगा. You still have to show CA certificate कि आपके पास 2 साल की पढ़ाई के पैसे हैं. And हमारे पास तो 5-6 लाख रुपए थे. And that is like $10,000 at the time. So we had to show $40,000. So my brother-in-law and his brother and their dad, they broke their FDs, transferred the money into my dad's bank account so we could make a CA certificate. So, you know, I could get a visa. Stanford पहुंच गई, वहाँ पे बहुत हसल किया, बहुत easy नहीं था, वहाँ पे सब IITs से आते हैं, मेरे कॉलेज से वहाँ पे कम लोग आते हैं, तो it was tough, but I do think that that was the next sort of push for me personally, that you can do more. You can do better. And of course, working in Silicon Valley with giants like PayPal, the kind of exposure you get, the kind of intellect and competitive spirit you get, and the ambition that you get really helped me. I pursued my career at PayPal for a few years. I had a green card, I had a car, I had a Kawasaki Ninja motorcycle, I had a bicycle, I had a rocking life. And then थोड़े मेरे bulb जले कि I can do something bigger. And instead of doing it in the US, I should go back. स्वदेश करना चाहिए. मेरा भारत महान and all that was really what I thought. कि कुछ बड़ा करना चाहिए. Digital payments I'm doing in the modern countries, but in a developing market, there's so much more potential. But of course, this is not something my family was very happy with. So I have to tell you this, that थोड़ा बहुत rebellion भी life में चाहिए होता है. Because if I would have listened to my dad and my mom, I would have not come back to India 15 years ago or 16 years ago, and I would not be standing where I am today. So little bit belief in yourself is also, you know, required. I came back to India with absolutely zero idea of how I'm going to get started, but इतना था कि ये गांव-गांव में जाके microfinance में जैसे हो रहा है, it's going to take forever. It has to be digital. Technology has to be a play. And that's when I met Bipin very serendipitously at a common friends party. And Mohit, who works with MobiKwik, was showing me pictures from that party 16 years ago. And you know, people talk about, young people when they're hanging out on a weekend, they talk about movies and sports. And we were talking about startup karni hai. And that's sort of how we got together, started the company. And you know, bootstrapped the company for the first 4-5 years. Because at that time, there was no startup culture. You know, there was no Shark Tank happening. It was not cool to do a startup 15-16 years ago. And that too, digital payments, when it was a cash-dominated market. So we got started with our savings. I still remember, you know, we started from my dining table, which is now very famous in the news, that 2 laptop lagaye aur shuru ho gaye. But then it evolved. We went to a bigger Dwarka apartment, and you know, I'm very pleased to see some of my oldest employees. Ankur is here, Ankur Srivastava, Abhishek Chandra is here. I can't see everyone, otherwise I would, you know, call out their names. I don't know Nikhil if he made it. He was going to fly in from Singapore. So, धीरे-धीरे कारवा बढ़ता रहा. And 4 years later, we also raised, Nikhil, you have walked in right when I announced your name. That's Nikhil Narang, employee number 1 of MobiKwik. We kept moving forward, and you know, we got the first Series A check from what is called Peak 15 now. It was called Sequoia Capital at the time. And you know, they literally walked into our office and gave us the check. And then we realized that we know what we are doing. We have a license from RBI. We should raise growth capital. We should take this company much further, much faster. And things were going fine, but then the market started heating up. Competition started happening. And along the way, Bipin and I also got married. And I'm sharing that because it's a very difficult journey that we've been through. And if I want to say, you know, it's not just the IPO, Deepak. It's not just the IPO deal where everything that could go wrong went wrong. Along the way also, it has been a series of obstacles and hurdles that one would have not thought. We thought कि startup कर रहे हैं तो marathon कर रहे हैं, but it's not just a marathon. It's that you know, it's that decathlon, and with those sprinting and those hurdles in between. I still remember 2015. Kazmir, our son, was born. And just a week later, Kaz, you can sit comfortably, beta. Sit comfortably. Our son was born, and I'm just giving you how things pan out. A week later or 10 days later, payment bank licenses got announced. We didn't need it. We didn't want it. But some other people got it. And that resulted in a problem for us because some of our new incoming investors, they backed out of the term sheets that they had given us. So suddenly, I have a week-old baby, and I'm on maternity officially, but given that the investor who was coming in has backed out, I know that we are going to run out of money. It was an extremely difficult situation. I still don't know how Bipin and I managed. I know we cried a lot. We thought about shutting down the company, but we made it work. He was on flights with Kunal Bajaj, who is sitting there, who used to do IR with us. Or Mrinal Sinha, I can't remember how many times we have gone through this whole escapade. So Bipin was on planes all over the world, and I was at home with the kid, and I raised a little bit of debt. तब भी करते थे, Zoom नहीं होता था, फिर भी virtually raise कर लिया. And that debt was sufficient to take us for 6 months. और तब तक Bipin जिन से मिल के आए थे, वहाँ से fundraise हो गया. This is just one story. Again, COVID. When COVID happened, we were again in a situation where after many years, we had done so well as a business, and we had roughly $100 million of term sheets. In fact, shareholder agreements signed. And then COVID happened. So the investor just didn't wire the money. $40 million gone, just like that. And it's COVID. Revenue is 1/3. And what do? Again, I'm happy to tell you, MobiKwik is the kind of company which is very frugal. I know मेरे team बहुत चिल्लाएगी मेरे पे कि आज शाम की पार्टी भी बहुत बढ़िया जगह पे नहीं दी है, अच्छी जगह पे दी है. पैसे हम बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं खर्चते हैं. We've always been a frugal company. But I want to tell you that in COVID, when left, right, and center, companies that had raised billions of dollars were firing people, MobiKwik is the kind of company that did not fire a single employee. We wanted to make sure that every family had medical coverage on insurance. Pay cut is okay, bonus not paid is okay, but we're not firing anyone. And within 6 months, because lending was not happening, we got the payments business to bounce back, we stabilized the company, and we grew, and we kept growing. Then it comes to 2021. 2021, we have this whole famous incident about the IPO filing and the whole process that we went through, and I'm very infamous in the investment banking circles. कि इसने ये किया, इसने वो किया, इसने valuation नहीं गिराया. Valuation नहीं गिराओ तो problem है, valuation गिराओ तो problem है. But the true story is we worked very hard in 2021. It was an absolute miracle that we even filed and we got the approval. But we got the approval slightly late. And, lot of internet companies were able to IPO in that bull market in 2021. But our approval came a few days after the big daddy in our sector. And given what they did in their listing, all roads for us were shut down. It's like you're climbing Mount Everest or avalanche आ गया है. आप चढ़ ही नहीं सकते. कोई देने कोई राजी नहीं है fintech को पैसा. So unfortunately, we were not able to conclude our IPO at the time. Then the years after that, the market has been so bad. Ukraine war, fintech has not been in flavor for many years now. But I want to tell you this. I've told every investor I met on the roadshow. In 2021, we did a roadshow with all the investors. We told them that give us 1,500 crores to build the business, and we'll grow it 3x in 3 years, and we'll turn profitable. I'm standing here to tell you that our revenue at that time was approximately 280 crore tha. 300 crores tha hamara revenue. We didn't raise the money. We did do 890 crores, which is 3x revenue in FY24. We did become profitable with 14 crore PAT and 37 crore EBITDA without raising the capital, which is what I told all the investors कि आप अपने notes check करो. जो company पैसों के बिना इतना कर सकती है, पैसों के साथ क्या करेगी? Guys, this has been the story of MobiKwik. It has been a story of resilience. It has been a story of innovation, a story of tenacity. And I couldn't have done any of this without the impossible jodi of Bipin and Upasna. So thank you, Bipin, for partnering with me, for dealing with me, for living with me, for taking flights with me. Yesterday, I almost made my entire family miss their flight just because I wanted to get my suitcase in and it was late, but we all made it in the flight. So, I can give some numbers to myself. Lastly and finally, I'm very, very thankful to all our investors, starting from Sequoia to Bajaj Finance, to Lesaka, to Amex, to GMO, Abu Dhabi Investment Authority, all the new investors that have joined us in this IPO as well. I want to tell you, it has not been easy. It has been very difficult. I know I'm going over time, but ek baat to bolni padegi. This has been like climbing Mount Everest. And now that we have peaked, last 3-4 days, I think we are in disbelief. मुझे और बिपिन को तो विश्वास ही नहीं हो रहा है. मुझे अभी भी विश्वास नहीं हो रहा था while coming here that this is happening. This is freaking happening. Thank you so much for joining me here today. Ratnadeep, I will end this in your words. हार के जीतने वाले को ही बाजीगर कहते हैं.
What a journey, ladies and gentlemen. Once again, a huge round of applause for Ms. Upasna and a round of applause for this power couple. On behalf of everyone sitting here watching us live, I would like to wish you all the very best. And with this, ladies and gentlemen, I would like to invite our host, Mr. Sunil Ram Rakhiani, Chief Business Officer, BSE, to address this historic event. Can we have a round of applause, everyone?
Good morning to everyone, distinguished dignitaries and the friends from the fraternity. A very warm welcome to all of you present at the BSE's iconic International Convention Center for the listing ceremony of One MobiKwik Systems Limited. On behalf of BSE, I would like to welcome all the dignitaries and more importantly, a great journey by Bipin and Upasana. Many, many big congratulations to both the founders. It's great to hear. And coming from very humble background, I do know about Rourkela. I am from Bhilai. So I do know about the steel city. But very, very humble background from both of you. And I can see that you guys have gone through a lot of roller coasters. I come from a semi-entrepreneur background before joining 1.5 years back at BSE. I did tried my hands at and created 1 or 2 companies, which I'll discuss off the stage with you guys. But very, very interesting journey on the payment space, which is one of the largest growing sector in the recent times, and particularly in the internet space, which is coming up in the as one of the fastest growing area to look upon. So quickly, I'm sure you know about the MobiKwik, but I, as exchange official, want to give you the overview about the issue subscription. 572 crores subscription with one of the largest on the subscription number times, 119 times. Somebody mentioned more than 100 on all the 3 segments, which is one of the important milestone with the 279 rupees as a benchmark price. So we are including this as under the fintech segment within the BSE, which is testament to our unwavering commitment to the fostering innovation and entrepreneurship in the fintech space. BSE has been always committed to the fostering and a vibrant, inclusive ecosystem for the businesses to thrive. And we have been always proud to play a role in the growth and the success of the numerous companies like One MobiKwik Systems, which is going to be one more shining example in our overall ecosystem. Now quickly about BSE, I'm sure everyone who is sitting here would love to come over here to this hall. BSE is one of the oldest exchanges in the world, and it's the oldest stock exchange in Asia. We are completing 150 years on the 9th of July in the coming year. This is a testament to the unwavering kind of potential which our capital market ecosystems offer. We already raised more than $5.2 trillion worth of the money in the equities and debt space till now. We are the world's largest exchange in terms of the number of companies listed. The total number of companies listed in the BSE are right now 5,290 companies already listed. Over the 150 years, we already offered an efficient capital market and a capital raising platform for the companies in India. In this international convention hall, I'm sure you must have looked into some of the web series and some of the companies which are based onto the capital market side. We have witnessed the development of Indian capital markets from the ring-based system. Now everything is electronic. Everything is mobile, fintech. That's the future of the trading markets. So benchmark index Sensex, बोलते थे ना कि Sensex is a barometer of any kind of growth which is happening in India. It's tracked by investors. It's an index which was launched in 1991. It's already considered as a barometer, and BSE provides efficient and transparent market for the equity derivatives, debt instruments, commodities, currencies, and the multiple instruments in the capital market ecosystem. So currently, there are more than 10.4 crores investors currently, which are unique number, which are trading onto the BSE platform at this stage. Just to give you an overview about some numbers onto the number of investors which are growing in the Indian markets. Every month, we are getting a 22 lakh new customers coming onto the overall Indian capital market systems every month basis. Pre-COVID, around 2.9 crore investors were there in India. That number has grown to 10.8 crore investors which are there in the capital market. That's what you are seeing the real subscription numbers started increasing. And interestingly, new gen population, that's what one of the things which I was trying to ask some of the capital market guys who were there, or like say the guys who are the advisory board, whether we are going to encompass the other part of the fintech space, which is relating to the savings and the investment world, which is getting more and more linked at this stage. So that's one of the areas which company can evaluate in doing that. So just on concluding remarks, listing, we are just all awaiting. I'm sure the founders have gone through the lot of hard work. I already heard the story. It's really, really inspiring for some guys who want to build their own businesses. It's not difficult, it's not easy. You have to be that mindset. That's what I heard by the founders, by Bipin and Upasana. They have got really put across, and particularly first generation entrepreneurs with the educated background, early stages when starting, because I myself sat in the WeWork and all that, sat across in 5-7 years. I've seen that kind of a lot of companies growing, some companies failing, but it's tenacity which has really, and the perseverance which has brought this company over here. Once again, BSE looks forward to being the preferred fundraising partner for all the companies which are looking forward in the future. And I wish this esteemed entity, MobiKwik, all the very best for a successful listing. Thank you.
Thank you, Sunil sir, for the valuable insights. I know the clock is ticking and we are slowly approaching that golden moment, but before that, it's time to present the listing memento to the promoters. I would request Mr. Sunil Ramrakhiani to once again join us on the stage, and I will request our Mr. Bipin and Ms. Upasana to join us on the stage. This is a special listing memento presented by BSE to Mr. Bipin and Ms. Upasana. Congratulations. I think we can clap more. It's a proud moment for MobiKwik, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you, sir, ma'am. I'll request both of you to stay back on the stage as now we are presenting further mementos. I will request Vipin sir and Upasana ma'am to present the token of appreciation to those who have been an instrumental in this entire journey. We present the first memento to BSE. I'll request both of you to present the memento to Mr. Sunil Ramrakhiani, Chief Business Officer, BSE. Next, I would like to invite Mr. Deepak Kaushik, EVP, SBI Capital. Let's have a round of applause for Mr. Deepak Kaushik and his team. Thank you, sir. May I invite Mr. Vishal Desai, ED Dam Capital. Thank you. Please put your hands together for Mr. Abhiroop Lahiri, Partner CAM. Keep clapping as I welcome Mr. Bhakta Patnaik, Partner Trilegal. Thank you. Please put your hands together for Mr. Girish Arora, partner BSR and Associates.
After the gong, we'll be taking pictures with every team. Don't worry, we will be doing that, but we are running short on time.
Thank you. Please put your hands together for Mr. Ashish and Mr. Siddharth, co-founders of Ingenesis. Please put your hands together for Mr. Bharat Singh, operating partner at Peak 15. Please welcome Mr. Navdeep Suri and Ms. Saili Karanchkar, independent directors, MobiKwik. Let's welcome, congratulations, thank you. Let's welcome MobiKwik Flash leaders, Mr. Sachin Dagha, Mr. Saurabh Taneja, Mr. Anand Kumar, and Ms. Ankita Sharma. Thank you. Please welcome Team Concept Communication Limited. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir. You may now take your seat. And I will request Mr. Vishal Desai, ED, Dam Capital, to kindly join us on the stage to present the vote of thanks.
Good morning, everyone. I think I don't really have much to say, but purely in awe of this couple who started with humble beginnings and have reached this juncture in life. I think it's tremendous in terms of the kind of work, the kind of resilience, and the kind of rigor that they have showcased, right from 2021 all the way today till 2024 December. Truly, it has been a remarkable journey in terms of their performance, in terms of their overall ability to handhold each and every process and run it at the best and the most optimal way. I think it's been a remarkable journey, truly exemplary in terms of performance. Now that we have a superb set of investors who've come on board as well, I'm sure they will leave no stone unturned. to deliver what investors have requested for and beyond. This is only the beginning. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. It's 9:55. The moment we all have been eagerly waiting for has finally arrived. We're just few moments away from that history to be made as MobiKwik officially goes live on the prestigious Bombay Stock Exchange, a milestone marking a new era of growth and innovation. As the clock inches closer to 10, I invite each and everyone to join us in the countdown that writes a new chapter in the history of fintech space, a symbolic act that echoes MobiKwik's incredible journey. Now it's my absolute honor to welcome the family members of Bipin sir and Upasana ma'am, the pillars of strength behind the inspiring success, and the key personal names. I will request them to join us on the stage. Upasana ma'am, Bipin sir, the family members. I will request Mr. Chandan Joshi to join us on the stage. Mr. Ankur Jaipuria, Mr. Mohit Narayan, Mr. Bharat Singh, Mr. Saurabh Dwivedi, Mr. Anand Kumar, and our host, Mr. Sunil Ramrakhiani. So we're just few minutes away from that golden moment. I want to hear from all of you. Are you all excited? Yes? Can I hear once again from all of you? It's 9:56, everyone. You are seeing the countdown on the screen. You're seeing the timer on the screen. Yes? You all will join me for last 10 seconds. It's a prestigious moment for the entire team of MobiKwik. Once again, I would like to thank everyone for being a part of this celebration. All the family members, well-wishers.
I would also like to invite Nikhil Narang and Ankur Srivastav to please come. I can't invite every MobiKwik member, otherwise all the pictures will look crazy. But इसके बाद हम सबके साथ फोटो लेने वाले हैं right after.
So just a minute away from that moment where the history will be made. All the family members, well-wishers are here. We are very much closer to the countdown. It's 9:58, everyone. Requesting everyone to be seated. Do not stand. We have live cameras behind. When we are giving a countdown, I want you all to be louder as much as possible. All right, and the countdown has begun everybody. Let's raise our voices. Let's create some excitement. It's 50 seconds to go. "35 seconds to go, everyone." I just love the energy and the excitement. People who are standing, please sit down. We have cameras behind. 25 seconds to go, everyone. 20 seconds to go. You all will join me in the countdown for last 10 seconds. Let's make this moment unforgettable. Let's raise our volume. Let's begin with 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Congratulations. Heartiest congratulations. Heartiest congratulations. Congratulations. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, let's celebrate this moment by clapping and congratulating Team MobiKwik with a huge round of applause. Come on. MobiKwik is now officially on BSC. Once again, congratulations, everyone. This is not just a milestone, it's a monumental achievement. All the very best to everyone from Team MobiKwik. After this, we will be calling individual teams for the photo op on the stage. Thank you, everyone. Should we all start with the group pictures? After this, I request the teams to come up on the stage to capture this historic moment. Team MobiKwik, all the employees of MobiKwik, can I have you on the stage, please? Let's have a group picture with each team who have contributed immensely in this entire journey.